Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to explore Bing Chat, Microsoft's innovative AI tool. In a world filled with technology, standing out can be tough. But with Bing Chat, you can not only meet your everyday needs but also enhance your digital interactions affordably and effectively. So what exactly is Bing Chat? It's a cutting-edge AI-powered chatbot that's seamlessly integrated with Bing Search and powered by GPT for technology. This chatbot is designed to inform, entertain, and inspire by providing reliable answers, valuable feedback, and creative content on demand. And the best part, it's free with any Microsoft account. Bing Chat comes with some key features that make it stand out. First, it's integrated with Bing Search so you get the latest data and accurate answers. It can also help with content creation, generating summaries, crafting original content, and even creating visually stunning images. And with its user-friendly design, Bing Chat is accessible to users of all tech levels. Imagine using Bing Chat to automatically generate eye-catching graphics for your marketing campaigns, provide instant answers to customer queries on your website, or act as your personal assistant for scheduling meetings and summarizing documents. The possibilities are endless. What sets Bing Chat apart is its blend of advanced AI capabilities with real-world practicality. It's all about enhancing your daily digital interactions without adding complexity, and all while being cost-effective. Getting started with Bing Chat is easy. Just visit their official page and set up the chatbot. Whether you have complex queries or just need quick assistance, Bing Chat is ready to help. Users across various sectors have seen significant improvements in how they gather and utilize information with Bing Chat. In our next segment, we'll dive into specific examples of how Bing Chat has revolutionized tasks and workflows. Thanks for joining me in exploring Bing Chat by Microsoft AI. Give it a try to elevate your efficiency and creativity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and tutorials. Share this video with your friends who could benefit from this advanced AI tool, and let's navigate the future of technology together. See you in the next video.